everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. Today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan. Topic would be houses of animals. Okay, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you need the PDF, please do comment me in the comment section below. Here you can see previous knowledge. So students are already aware of birds, name of birds and animals, because in previous knowledge we always have to write what students are already aware of. Here for general aim you can see to enable them to understand various animals and birds and their houses. So we want to teach them about the name of the houses of animals. And second, you can see here to enable them to know many interesting facts about their houses or the animals. Okay, specific objectives you can see here to let them know names of houses of various animals, birds and reptiles. So we want to tell them about the names of various animals and birds. Okay. For teaching aids, as usual, we have to write whatever teaching aids we are going to use while we are teaching to students. Okay, here you can see introduction question. So for introduction question, we have to add only 5 questions. Means 5 questions is enough. You do not have to add more than that. So here you can see question. Where do we all live? Student will answer, we live in home. Do you have any pet in your home? And if you have any pet, which animal or which bird can you please tell? Then student will try to answer. Okay. Yes means student will answer that yes we have pet, and then they will try to name the pet that they have. Which is your favorite birds and animals? Student will answer. Do you know animals houses has various name? Problematic. Then we will ask them to tell the name of the houses of dog and cat. It would be problematic. Okay, so here you can see objectives and specification to arouse previous knowledge, to check previous knowledge, to check attention, to link past experience with present knowledge. You can see here. After that we have to give our statement of him. So we have to say, today I am going to teach you topic the houses of animals. Okay, this is overall look of our lesson plan. Like this we have to make our lesson plan. Now let's see presentation part. So for presentation you can see here we have to explain everything properly to students for like 5 to 6 minutes. We have to explain everything. After that we have to ask a question to students. Where do bird lives? What is names of cows? Where do rabbit lives? What is the name of house of horse? Like this. And here this is the expected answer that we expect from students. And this is a blackboard work you can see here. Okay, here you can see teacher explain with the help of chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to write chart. Okay, presentation 2 you can see here we have to explain. Here you can see whatever we are going to teach them we have to explain very properly for like 5 to 6 minutes. So this is the same process that we have to repeat again. Okay, so here you can see question related to that, and here is the expected answer that we expect from students, and here is the blackboard work you can see clearly. Okay, let me show you overall look so that you can take screenshot also. If you need, you can take screenshot also. Okay, here you can see so this is presentation part, rest part of presentation 2. Here question related with that, here is the answers. Okay, and here's blackboard work you can see blackboard work. Okay, so skills you can see teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching aid we have to write chart. Recapitulation part you can see. Here you can see question that we have to ask to students. I have added here 4 questions only. You can see here, where do birds live? What is the name of spider's house? Where do lion live? What is the name of mouse house? And here is the expected answer that we expect from student. Okay, this is last page. This is the application and evaluation. Here you can see fill in the blanks. I have added here 5 questions. A dog lives in a mouse lives in a spider lives in a lion lives in a snake lives in a dash. Home assignments of a perfection of their knowledge, we have to also give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan on the topic houses of animal. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.